let's do one of these integration problems. First thing you do is try to figure out, intuitively where we're at. And you can see that we're integrating t, but it's multiplied by a step function that's active at -2. So the green line is the step function, t is, or -2t is this line here, and then when they're multiplied together, we have this yellow line. So that's actually what we're trying to integrate. And you can see that there's nothing to integrate up until t equals -2. So what we do is change the limits of integration, right? So, but also, let's just get an idea of what we're looking at, right? So I have this area here, right? So that's going to be a positive area. And then we're going to have a negative area. To integrate. All right, so when we're done, right, the negative part's a lot bigger than the positive part, so we will have to make sure that our answer is going to be a negative number. Now, we've already changed the limits of integration here, and so we can actually set this to 1, because a step function, right, for t greater than equal to 2 for that step function is 1. So we enforce that condition here, right? So we can just get rid of the step function and replace here. So that's what we have to evaluate. That's going to be minus 8 squared minus 2 squared. Evaluate that, and we get -60.